Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly transforming our world. It is no longer a futuristic concept confined to science fiction. AI is here and now, permeating every aspect of our lives. From the apps we use to the cars we drive, AI is becoming ubiquitous. By the year 2025, this transformative technology will be even more deeply integrated into our daily routines. This rapid evolution presents us with a dual challenge, harnessing AI's immense potential while mitigating its potential risks. This essay explores the opportunities and challenges presented by the rise of AI. We will delve into AI's impact on various industries, from healthcare to entertainment. We'll also examine the ethical considerations that must guide its development. Furthermore, we'll discuss the crucial role of data, regulation, and policy in shaping a future where AI benefits all of humanity. The rise of AI is a defining moment in human history. It has the potential to solve some of the world's most pressing problems and usher in an era of unprecedented progress. However, realizing this potential requires careful consideration and responsible development. We must navigate this new frontier with wisdom and foresight, ensuring that AI serves humanity's best interest. The journey into the age of AI has already begun. How we shape this journey will determine our collective future. Let's embark on this exploration with open minds and a shared commitment to harnessing the power of AI for the greater good. The pervasiveness of AI is evident in its rapidly growing usage statistics. By 2025, more than half of the world's population will be using AI in some form. This signifies a significant increase from previous years, indicating AI's rapid adoption across various sectors. While AI offers undeniable benefits, these statistics are accompanied by growing public concern. Surveys reveal that a significant majority of people are worried about the potential negative implications of AI. This apprehension primarily stems from a lack of understanding of how AI works and its potential impact. The fear of the unknown, coupled with concerns about job displacement and data privacy, fuels this anxiety. Interestingly, a large portion of the population struggles to differentiate between human-generated and AI-generated content. This inability to distinguish between real and artificial raises concerns about the potential for misuse of AI technologies, particularly in spreading misinformation. The increasing use of AI, coupled with rising public concern, highlights the need for greater transparency and education surrounding AI technologies. Bridging the knowledge gap and fostering trust are crucial to ensuring the responsible and ethical development of AI. The rise of AI presents a world of opportunities across various industries. In healthcare, AI is poised to revolutionize patient care. Imagine a future where AI-powered diagnostic tools detect diseases earlier and with greater accuracy. Personalized treatment plans tailored to an individual's genetic makeup could become commonplace. AI-assisted robotic surgery could minimize invasiveness and improve surgical outcomes. The financial sector is also ripe for AI-driven transformation. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of financial data, detecting fraudulent transactions with unmatched precision. Algorithmic trading, powered by AI, can make investment decisions at lightning speed, optimizing returns for investors. Customer service is also being redefined, with AI-powered chatbots providing 24/7 support and personalized financial advice. Manufacturing is another industry set to benefit significantly from AI. AI-driven automation can optimize production processes, increasing efficiency and reducing waste. Predictive maintenance, powered by AI, can anticipate equipment failures before they occur, minimizing downtime and saving costs. AI-powered quality control systems can ensure product consistency and adherence to the highest standards. Transportation is on the verge of a revolution thanks to AI. Self-driving cars, guided by sophisticated AI algorithms, promise to make our roads safer and more efficient. Imagine a world without traffic jams, where autonomous vehicles navigate our cities seamlessly. AI can also optimize logistics and supply chain management, reducing transportation costs and delivery times. These examples are just a glimpse of the transformative potential of AI. From education to entertainment, from science to space exploration, AI is poised to reshape every aspect of our lives. By embracing AI's possibilities, we can unlock unprecedented opportunities for progress and innovation. While the opportunities presented by AI are vast, we must also acknowledge and address the challenges that come with it. One of the most significant concerns is job displacement. As AI-driven automation increases, certain job sectors, particularly those involving repetitive tasks, may face significant job losses. The potential for AI to exacerbate existing societal biases is another critical challenge. If AI systems are trained on biased data, they can perpetuate and even amplify these biases, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Ensuring fairness and mitigating bias in AI algorithms is crucial to preventing unintended consequences. Privacy concerns also loom large in the age of AI. As AI systems become more sophisticated, they require vast amounts of data to function effectively. Safeguarding this data and ensuring its responsible use is paramount. We must develop robust data protection mechanisms to prevent unauthorized access and misuse. The security risks associated with AI cannot be ignored. As AI systems become more integrated into critical infrastructure, they become potential targets for malicious actors. Cybersecurity threats to AI systems could have far-reaching consequences. Developing robust security measures to protect AI systems from cyber attacks is essential. These challenges necessitate a proactive and multifaceted approach. We must invest in retraining and upskilling the workforce to adapt to the changing job market. Developing ethical guidelines for AI development and deployment is crucial to mitigate bias and ensure fairness. Robust data protection regulations and cybersecurity measures are essential to safeguard privacy and security in the age of AI. Section 5. The ethical imperative. The development and deployment of AI carry a significant ethical imperative. As we entrust more decisions and tasks to AI systems, we must ensure that these systems operate ethically and responsibly. Transparency and accountability are paramount. We need to understand how AI systems make decisions and have mechanisms for holding them accountable for their actions. Regulation and policy play a crucial role in shaping a responsible AI landscape. Governments and regulatory bodies must establish clear guidelines and standards for AI development and use. This includes addressing issues such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, and the ethical implications of AI in various sectors. A human-centric approach to AI development is essential. We must ensure that AI systems are designed and deployed in a way that benefits humanity as a whole. This means prioritizing human values, such as fairness, justice, and well-being in the development and deployment of AI systems. The ethical considerations surrounding AI are complex and multifaceted. They require ongoing dialogue and collaboration between policymakers, technologists, ethicists, and the public. By fostering open and inclusive discussions, we can navigate the ethical challenges of AI and ensure that it is used for the benefit of all. Section 6. Data, the fuel of the AI engine. Data is the lifeblood of AI. AI algorithms learn from data, identifying patterns and making predictions based on the information they are fed. The quality, quantity, and diversity of data used to train AI systems are crucial determinants of their performance and reliability. The rise of AI has led to an explosion in data generation and collection. This data comes from various sources, including sensors, social media, and online transactions. However, not all data is created equal. AI systems trained on biased or incomplete data can perpetuate and even amplify existing societal biases. Ensuring data quality, relevance, and representativeness is crucial for developing fair and unbiased AI systems. We need mechanisms for auditing AI systems to identify and mitigate bias in their decision-making processes. Furthermore, we must ensure that data used to train AI systems is collected and used ethically, respecting privacy and individual rights. The responsible and ethical use of data is fundamental to the success of AI. We must prioritize data privacy, security, and transparency while ensuring that data is used to build AI systems that benefit all of humanity. Section 7. Governing the future of AI. The rapid advancements in AI necessitate a robust and adaptable governance framework. This framework should address the ethical, societal, and economic implications of AI. ensuring its responsible development and deployment. International cooperation is crucial in AI governance. AI is a global technology with the potential to impact every corner of the world. Collaborative efforts are essential to establish common ethical principles, safety standards, and regulatory frameworks for AI development and use. Balancing innovation with precaution is a key challenge in AI governance. While we want to encourage innovation and harness the transformative potential of AI, we must also proceed with caution, anticipating and mitigating potential risks. This requires ongoing assessment of AI technologies and their impact, adjusting regulations and guidelines as needed. Public engagement is essential in AI governance. AI will impact the lives of every citizen, and therefore public discourse and participation are crucial in shaping the future of AI. We need to foster open and informed dialogues about the potential benefits and risks of AI, ensuring that all voices are heard in the decision-making process. Section 8. Shaping a responsible AI landscape. Creating a responsible AI landscape requires a multi-stakeholder approach. Governments, industry leaders, researchers, and civil society organizations must work together to establish ethical guidelines, promote transparency, and ensure accountability in AI development and deployment. Education and awareness play a critical role in shaping a responsible AI landscape. We need to educate the public about AI, its potential benefits, and its risks. This includes promoting AI literacy, equipping individuals with the knowledge and skills to navigate an increasingly AI-driven world. Investing in AI research and development is crucial to ensure that AI is used for good. This includes funding research into AI safety, ethics, and bias mitigation. We need to support the development of AI systems that are aligned with human values and designed to benefit society as a whole. Shaping a responsible AI landscape is an ongoing process. It requires continuous evaluation, adaptation, and collaboration to ensure that AI technologies are developed and used in a way that benefits all of humanity. Section 9. The Road Ahead: Collaboration for a Shared Future. The rise of AI presents both unprecedented opportunities and complex challenges. As we navigate this uncharted territory, collaboration is key. We must work together across borders, sectors, and disciplines to harness the transformative potential of AI while mitigating its risks. By embracing a collaborative and ethical approach, we can shape an AI-powered future that benefits all of humanity. A future where AI helps us solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to poverty to disease. The road ahead requires a shared vision, a commitment to responsible innovation, and a willingness to adapt and learn as we go. By working together, we can ensure that AI empowers us to create a more equitable, sustainable, and prosperous future for all.
If you enjoyed this research, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends for more insightful content. Hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Stay curious, keep learning, and until next time, this is WiseMen.